This spacious and sunny condo has it all. Lovely kitchen with granite counters opens to separate dining room and large living room with sliding doors to the balcony. Generous master bedroom has a large bath with walk-in shower and a huge closet with full mirrored door that leads to second closet. Second bedroom has large closet and overlooks courtyard. Laundry with full-size washer and dryer in unit. Enjoy fabulous amenities such as the walking path and nature area adjacent to the building, or the exercise room, game room, indoor pool, or party room right in the building. Beautiful remodeled foyer, elevators for convenience, and 2 parking spaces, 33 and 34, located near the entrance to the underground heated garage. Storage locker number 211. No dogs allowed, 2 cat maximum. No rentals. Monthly assessment includes parking. Hard surface floors only allowed in kitchen, dining room, and baths.